Maligayang pagdating sa Mindoro Rice Grain Center. Ang palay ang may pinakamalaking dami ng produksyon sa San Jose, Mindoro at isa sa pinakamagagandang palay sa Pilipinas. Kilala ang Mindoro Rice sa mahusay na lasa at bango nito. Garantisadong mahusay na giniling, premium na kalidad sa abot-kayang presyo. Nag-aalok din kami ng iba't ibang uri ng palay na mapagpipilian mo. Bigas ang buhay. Happy Rice Delicious Day. Bisitahin ang aming tindahan sa Shopee. Shopee.ph/MRGC2021. Welcome to Mindoro Rice Grain Center. Palay has the largest volume of production in San Jose, Mindoro and has one of the best palay in the Philippines. Mindoro Rice is well known for its great taste and fragrance. Guaranteed well-milled, premium quality at an affordable price. We also offer different rice varieties for you to choose from. Rice is life. Happy Rice Delicious Day.